How would you feel if you find out what exactly causing weight gain in your case? You must have seen or in fact tried that losing weight seems impossible, but you gain very fast. I will show you exactly what is root cause screening and how you can find out your root cause with us.
My name is Manish and I'm a founder of Fitness Global. I started this company in 2012 just after training MS Dhoni, former captain of Indian cricket team. And I'm a metabolic analytic practitioner specialized to design a program for people who have medical condition and are not able to get results by normal approach like diet and exercises. Something is going on inside the health. So I fix their body type and then help them to lose 1 to 2 kg of fat per week and optimize their internal health so that they could actually live better life, quality of life, I would say. Fitness Gurukul is part of Barkat Al Noor, a registered Dubai-based company. We operate from Dubai. I started this company, Barkat Al Noor, in 2020. Meet Mohammed from Ajman. He lost 14 kgs of weight in 8 weeks of time without any exercises. He had a severe back pain. Because of that, he could not move his body. So we used our system where he could manage to lose 14 kgs in 8 weeks of time, no exercise. Meet Tony from UK. He tried personal training, food services, but he could not see the results. When he reached out to us, he had aim for getting six-pack, and after completing the program, he could see his six-pack. Drastic change in just 90 days. Meet Shiva, 57-year-old, who have lost 21.5 kg in just 12 weeks of time. He had high BP and he was struggling with energy issues. After completing the program, he has seen drastic changes in his energy level and the body shape. There is no better results than hearing from the doctor and looking at the lab test. So here on the left side, HbA1c has improved, where doctor is saying call the patient, inform about it. In the center, the client is saying that I've stopped taking medications for cholesterol from the doctor's recommendations. Now, other side, the TSH has improved. So nothing better than this. Mazin was desperately wanting to get in shape, but because of his busy schedule and travel, he could not manage. He was not consistent with the professionals. What we did was we found out all the obstacles and we had put him in the system and he got transformed. You can see in the picture before and after, but more than that, what we like is when he's visiting his university at the age of 44, he's feeling more younger than 21 age when he used to be in the college. This is not any in-person training or a person training. This is kind of an advanced training for the people who have tried and failed with all the novel approaches. It is hybrid for UAE residents. So if you're in UAE, so you would get opportunity to meet in person. Otherwise, we have Zoom calls to meet up for the meetups. Location, we are based in Dubai. This is for men over 40 with medical condition, has been advised by doctor to lose weight and struggling for almost 5 years or more than that, despite trying personal training, food services, diet consultations, everything except us. Now let's learn how this metabolic reset system can transform you. So there are 4 pillars which we use in the system. Number 1 is a root cause screening, where we find out your body type, your hormonal profile. And then the second one is program design and setup, where we design the program based on the root cause and then set you up with that. Number 3 is phases, where we have 3 major phases, where we first build the foundation. And then second, we optimize the health, internal health, and then we move into a transformation where you see fat is melting down. Number 4 is coaching. Throughout the journey, you have handled support, so you don't feel you're left out with that.
Before you book your call, let me answer all your questions here so that you have clarity what you're going to sign up for.
All right, let's start with the root cause screening. Understand one by one. So root cause screening is a 7 days of process. What we do in these 7 days, we first find out your hormonal profile. What is your body type basically? And the second one, we look at fitness screening, your posture, mobility, flexibility and all. We look at your identity screening, basically to understand what you do throughout the day, so where we can make the changes, which could be possible for you to follow. And then fourth, we look at your food diary. What do you eat? When do you eat? And the impact of that food on your body and the emotional health. And the last one is your gut health and emotional health. There are 3 hormones profile basically in the guys: estrogen, cortisol, insulin. These defines the whole internal system. How does it look like? If you look at the screen, you will see on the left side, gynoid, insulin, android, toxicity. There are many factors. We find out your body type. The first one, which is the top priority. And then if you look at the right side here in the blood test, you can see that the cortisol is low and estrogen is high. It defines the gynoid case. After the root cause screening, now it's time to design the program. Program has 4 pillars: protocol, diet, exercise, and identity shifting system. Okay, protocol plays 50% role. It is for healing the body from inside, optimizing the health, and it's very target protocol based on the body type. Second one is a diet, which plays 30% role. It's based on the body type. So all the ingredients, we put it in the diet. Number 3 is exercise based on the fitness screening, which we do in the root cause screening, so which plays 20% role. Number 4 is identity shifting, which is our system, where you are able to sustain the results even after the program. Now let's understand your transformation with this example. So 100 kg of person wants to be 80 kg of weight, where his current fat is 40 kg and goal weight is 60 kg of fat. So he needs to lose 24 kg of fat. So 24 kg of fat is almost 24 weeks of time he needs. However, when it comes to stabilizing or sustaining results, you need to focus on stabilizing phase, which is going to be almost same amount of time what you took to achieve the results. That's how body function. These are the major issues when it comes to getting results and stay consistent. When we have a travel, family commitment, parties, weekend work, sickness, where we lose the motivation or our priority changes. However, what we do with our program is we want to cover these elements very specifically so that you could maintain and follow the program without stress and sustain the results. Once you have signed up, we will start with the onboarding process. Then we will start your root cause screening. And once the root cause screening is done, we know what is it which is causing the weight gain in your case. We will design the program and set you up with that. Then every week we will have a check-ins to see how you are functioning or how you are able to do, and then make the changes based on long-term and short-term goals, where you will see 1 to 2 kg of fat loss per week, getting healthy, feeling more energetic, and younger. Let's understand the financial investment. So first one is a root cause screening, which is going to be for 7 days. Second one is a blood testing. In most of the cases, it is covered from the insurance. In some cases, it's not covered based on what type of insurance you have. And in some cases, it is even not required. So all depends. The third one is the coaching, where we design the program, give you handle support, customizations based on long-term goals, short-term goals. Keep your journey, smooth. And the fourth one is a protocol. Protocol is something which would be delivered to you at your door. That is more of a supplements and hubs to heal the body from inside, which makes a 50% difference. So these are the 4 investment. I ask if your annual income is over 500K. The reason I'm asking this question is we have seen someone who has joined our program, and if their income is over 500K, they are easily able to invest in their health without stress for the funds. So now you have clarity how do we work and how we can help you out with this. If this aligns with your goals and needs, so this is a question, which is $1 million question. Are you in? There are 2 types of people on this planet. One is an action taker who believes in hiring an expert to save their time. The second one is an explorer. They lose money over the time and they explore a lot of options. That's why they delay their health. If you are an action taker and you really want to get healthy now, well, and you think that we could help you, you have an opportunity which you should not miss out. The first one is a root cause screening. Normal price for root cause screening is 1,750 dirham. It's an exclusive service. Many people, they just come to us to get this root cause screening. So that would be complimentary with our coaching service. So you just need to pay for the coaching, but not for the root cause screening. That would be complimentary. Second one is if you want to work directly with me, that is limited to first 5 members. So that is something you should not miss out if you are willing to do that. The third one is, let's say you don't want to start now, but you want to start later, but you also want to grab this offer. So book the call, secure the offer, and then you can start later. So if this is something aligns with your goals and needs, go ahead and book the call. If you're interested to work with us, just apply now and come on the Zoom call. We will try to understand, what exactly you're looking for, just to be sure if we could help you with that. If we could help you with that, then we will start onboarding process from there.